Thinking of starting a business in Northern Ireland? If you're planning to form a limited company, you are in the right place. Starting your own business is an exciting journey, but it can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming. If you're considering forming a limited company in Northern Ireland, you are taking a key step towards setting a strong foundation for your business. So, where do you begin? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process, making it as simple as possible. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to set up a Ltd company in Northern Ireland. And if you want to make the process even smoother, reduce the stress, and ensure everything is done correctly, I recommend checking out First Formations. They are the UK's leading company formation service, trusted by over 1 million businesses since 2014. They will register your company within 24 hours, and they also offer essential services like business address and compliance support. They know UK company registration inside and out, including business in Northern Ireland. You will find a link to their website in the description of this video. This is an affiliate link, meaning if you use it, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps me to support my channel. Thank you. And now, let's dive in. Step 1. Is a limited company right for you? Before we jump into forming a limited company, take a moment to consider whether it's the best fit for your business. This decision will impact how you operate, manage taxes, and raise funds. A limited company is legally separate from its owners, meaning its finances are distinct from your personal finances. Sounds good, right? But there's more. A limited company can have shares and shareholders, meaning you can bring on investors if needed, and profits can be retained after paying taxes. This structure is ideal for businesses aiming to make a profit, and it offers a clear separation between personal and business assets. If you're still unsure, there are government-backed schemes to help you decide which business structure is right for you. And if you need advice, don't hesitate to ask a professional. If you have decided that a limited company is the way forward, that's great. You're setting up a strong foundation for success. Ready for the next step? Let's go. Step 2. Choosing the right name. You've decided to set up a limited company. How exciting is that? One of the first tasks is choosing a company name. But it's not just about picking something catchy. There are rules you'll need to follow. Your company name must usually end in limited or Ltd, and it can't be offensive or too similar to another company's name. To avoid any issues later on, use the company name availability checker, which I've linked in the descriptions of this video. Checking your name beforehand will ensure it's unique. If you'd like to trade under a different name than your registered company name, that's possible too. This would be your business name. After you registered your name, Companies House will inform you if your name is too close to another business, and they will guide you on what to do next. Ready to pick the perfect name? Get creative, but ensure it reflects your business. Step 3. Appointing directors and a company secretary. With your company name chosen, the next step is deciding who will run your company. Every Ltd company in Northern Ireland must have at least one director. This person is legally responsible for managing the company's operations, including record keeping and overall performance. It's a big responsibility, but with clear rules outlined in the company's articles of association, it's manageable. Directors also need to report any changes to Companies House and file accounts and tax returns on time. If you think you'll need help with the administrative side of things, you can appoint a company secretary, though it's not mandatory. A secretary can handle day-to-day tasks, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Keep in mind that First Formations offers a full company secretary service. They will make sure your records are kept up to date and you remain compliant all year long. Ready to take on the role of director? Let's move ahead. Step 4. Deciding on shareholders or guarantors. With your leadership team set, it's time to think about ownership. Most Ltd companies in Northern Ireland are limited by shares, meaning they're owned by shareholders. If you're the sole shareholder, you will own 100% of the company. If you want to involve others, there's no limit to the number of shareholders. You can set the value of an individual share, and shareholders will be required to pay for their shares in full if the company ever dissolves. Setting a low share value, such as £1, can help limit shareholders' liability. Shareholders may also receive dividends if the company makes a profit, but keep in mind that these are subject to taxes. It's worth checking the tax implications with HMRC. Ready to decide on ownership? Let's keep going. Step 5. Identifying people with significant control. Next, it's time to identify people with significant control over your company. This step is crucial for transparency. A PSC is someone who holds more than 25% of shares or voting rights, or someone who has the power to appoint or remove a majority of directors. Identifying PSCs ensures transparency and is particularly important if your business has multiple shareholders or a more complex structure. If this sounds complicated, don't worry. Guidance on PSCs is available by the UK government, and professional advice can help if you need it. Getting this step right from the beginning will save you trouble later on. Let's move forward. Step 6. Preparing key documents. You're doing great. Now, let's talk about the essential paperwork. To operate legally as a Ltd company in Northern Ireland, you'll need 2 key documents: the Memorandum of Association and the Articles of Association. The memorandum is a legal statement signed by the initial shareholders or guarantors agreeing to form the company. If you register online, this document will be automatically generated for you. The Articles of Association are the rules that govern your company's operations, covering everything from decision-making to shareholder rights. You can use the government standard template or customize it for your business. These documents form the legal backbone of your company, so it's important to get them right. Step 7. Keeping accurate company records. With your company set up, maintaining accurate records is vital to keeping things running smoothly. You'll need to record details about your directors, shareholders, and any major decisions such as shareholder votes or financial commitments. Additionally, you must maintain a register of PSCs, as we discussed already earlier. Accurate records are crucial, as HMRC may audit your company's records to ensure proper tax payments. Consider hiring an accountant to help manage your taxes and ensure everything is in order. And don't forget, you're required to keep company's records for at least 6 years. Ready to stay organized? Let's move on. Step 8. Registering your company. You're almost there. The final step is registering your Ltd company with Companies House. You'll need to provide a registered office address in Northern Ireland, which will be publicly available. And you will also select a standard industrial classification code to describe your business activities. You can often register for corporation tax at the same time, which makes things a bit easier. Once your registration is complete, you will receive a certificate of incorporation, which serves as proof that your company legally exists. Congratulations! You are now the proud owner of a limited company in Northern Ireland. And that's it! The steps to forming a limited company in Northern Ireland. By now, you should have a good understanding of the process, from deciding if it's the right structure for your business to registering with Companies House. Each step is vital to ensuring your company is set up for long-term success. If you're looking for additional details, take a look at the UK government's step-by-step guide on setting up a limited company. Reading information straight from them ensures you get the most current and accurate guidance. You'll find link to this guide in the descriptions of this video. And if you want to streamline the setup, consider using First Formations. They're the experts in UK company registration, including Northern Ireland, and you will have your business registered within 24 hours. I hope this guide provided you the information you were looking for, and I wish you the best luck with your new venture.